Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. As we are in our fifth waves of this impulse in 1112s, we are looking at a finished wave 3 of course in the orange scenario, and currently we have finished as well a wave 4 in the orange scenario. So we are looking of course for the wave 5 to finish that orange scenario again, and the wave 3 in the yellow, and then of course moving for another 4-5 towards the upside. Now, if we take a closer look here, of course, we have reached the 1.618 of FIP time taken from your wave 2 in the orange scenario here, which is, of course, perfect to see that the time of the wave 4 is even longer than your wave 2, which is perfect based on Elliott wave theory. And then we have here a kind of 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 towards the upside as expected before. And we are looking at this unfolding since yesterday. I have mentioned that the KGT indicator has already showed up some buy signal here, so the trend is already buy from that point. And as we saw, some accumulation for the volume. We saw, of course, kind of an impulse towards the upside. After that is, of course, a lot of pressure for selling with your wave 2, where the volume of the sellers even was also very high, because of course it's your correction, it's your wave 2. So looking at the signals here and seeing, of course, kind of like conversions, but yeah, not very strong, because if you take it here, actually it's not conversions, it's a divergence here, and which is of course a confirmation that it's not a bearish scenario, but it's just a wave 2 that it will not be able to take, of course, this low. And this is exactly what happened. And now, of course, after that, we are looking at our signal, the buy signal again, where it has created, of course, a divergence. And we start to move very, very high after looking at those CVD's signals. And when you see, of course, 3 to 5 green candles with buyers entering behind the scene, of course, therefore, you can expect, of course, to move very, very high. As you can see, those green candles were before the start of the massive impulse. So it would be a really nice signal. And as you can see right now, we are looking at some bearish pressure or selling pressure. But you can see that the buyers did not give up. The buyers are still loading up. You can see some green over this, meaning that we are still looking for higher, and Solana is gonna push very, very higher. And of course, KGT, as I said, it is of course in public. You can have it now. Of course, you can have some information in the description below how to get it. And of course, you will get a membership to our community and Discord with it. If you would like, of course, to support the channel, I would be very thankful. So going back to the chart here, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our expectation for a target is $270. But this is only for your wave 3. Therefore, you will have, of course, 4 and a 5. And of course, we're gonna reach even higher than this and higher than 270 to finish, of course, those two waves in the top. And yeah, so very nice price action for Solana. For the bearish scenario, of course, that is not yet very strong bearish scenario. As I told you, we are in the way to finish all these 4-5s, unless, of course, we see some crazy signals like a big contracting diagonal towards the downside, and that might means it's a leading diagonal, of course, for a big impulse towards the downside. Therefore, of course, I will be there for you guys to cover you up. So that was it for Solana. I know it is very short, but I mean, yeah, let's keep it short anyway. Don't forget to support me with the KGT. I would be very thankful if you support the channel with it. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.